Welcome to Crazy for Quizzes. What's that noise? Can you guess the kitchen noises in this quiz? Put your answers in the comments below. Get ready, set, go. Listen closely. It's a popcorn bag in the microwave. Listen closely. It's a blender. Listen closely. It's water boiling. Listen closely. It's an electric whisk. Listen closely. It's a dishwasher. Listen closely. It's running sink water. Listen closely. It's someone cracking eggs. Listen closely. It's someone pouring cereal. Listen closely. It's a smoke detector. Listen closely. It's someone frying food. Listen closely. It's a coffee bean grinder. Listen closely. It's an ice dispenser. Listen closely. It's someone kneading dough. Listen closely. It's someone sweeping the floor. Listen closely. It's someone pouring water. Did you guess them all correctly? Great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy fun!